Hey guys, welcome back to Roshnara's World. So guys, we have Dhaval on our channel, who got recently placed in Tech Mahindra for ASC role, which you already know that onboarding and joinings are happening. So we will mainly focus in today's video about the onboarding part and the offer letter and everything. So let's start, Dhaval. You can move ahead.
Okay, so basically, I want to introduce myself first. I am Dhaval Sri Kedkar. I have done bachelor's in information technology, and about the onboarding process, it is quite lengthy. I will say because it takes around 5 to 6 days completely from starting from the offer letter till the first day itself, joining letter and all documents. I want to mention for that. So basically, I got offer letter on 8th of September, and I think it was on 6 p.m. I received it, and after 2 or 3 hours, I got a mail from the company that I have received incorrect offer letter.
Hmm.
So for that, they mentioned that you have to wait till tomorrow. But again, the this Ganpati vacations arrived, and because of that, the delay happened. That will be manageable. So after 5 or 6 days, I got a correct offer letter on 15th of September. So after that, it took me around 2 to 3 days to get the documentation and all for my onboarding, pre-onboarding portal, or you can say the uploading all the documents and all. So yeah.
Okay, so you were able to upload all the documents. What all documents were there? Can you brief a bit?
Yeah, so there are, I think, 6 to 7 main documents. So they mentioned that you have to sign 2 years bond,
Hmm.
then Aadhaar card, PAN card, then some other documents, two or three related to the joining report and all.
Hmm.
So all the documents, if you combine, then it will be around 6 to 7 documents are there.
Hmm.
And they have a onboarding portal for uploading all the documents where HR can approve that documents, and you will get the mail from the company that this documents has been approved. And yeah, on their onboarding portal, some of the main documents are 6 to 7 only, which again includes your photograph, one passport size with white background only, and your signature.
Hmm. Okay,
Yeah.
and what about the educational documents? I mean, a lot of people get confused that the
Yes.
PDC and the this
Hmm.
consolidated one or separate also can
Yes.
be able. Mhm.
As per their criteria, you what was that?
I
Yeah,
think.
60% or yeah,
Mhm.
60% entire till from the 10th to your
Graduation
graduation. Yeah, so that was the criteria,
Mhm.
and no gap. I
Should
think
be there.
1 year is allowed. I
Mhm.
don't like confirm on that,
Mhm.
but yeah, something like that.
Okay,
And what you asked,
that was,
another
I mean,
question?
post this PDC.
Yeah, PDC is required. Then if you have degree certificate, that is well and good,
Mm.
because I am 2020 pass out, so I have both of them documents available at me.
So people, I think from 2021 batch would face a bit challenge in getting your degree certificate. So you can upload your
Yeah,
PDC and your consolidated
consolidate.
mark
Yes,
sheets.
yes.
Yes.
But that
Okay.
is they are telling that first these 7 documents are mandatory. That educational documents are like next step
Okay.
after the onboarding. Yeah.
Okay.
So it is not mandatory, but yeah, it
Fine.
is.
Yeah, it is also an important.
Yes.
Okay. Fine. And so after getting your offer letter on 15th, so 17th
Okay.
was the date, which was yesterday. You
Mhm.
actually, got this onboarded. So what happened on the onboarding date? Can you explain a bit?
Actually, on 17th, onboarding was there, and just I received two mails, but not on the same date.
Yeah.
After I think 12 a.m., I got a mail that I have welcome mail and all that, two mails. And first mail was contained about the credential generations.
Okay.
Like they have some document, and you have to unlock that document basically by using your birth date. They all the details are mentioned in that mail itself, that you have to unlock that document and uh, generate your password by using the default password and reset it, then set up your two-step authentication. And after that you have to log into the Outlook. Okay, and after that you will get the mails from the company for whatever are the training is like mandatory and all that sorry, whatever the training procedures are there for
Okay.
a particular employee.
Okay. So any meeting happened yesterday?
Actually, for onboarding process on 16th of September, one meeting happened with HR, and she addressed us like what are the important documents you have to upload and what are the like optional documents you have to upload
Mm.
after the onboarding. So yeah, that was happened till now, and right now, I am doing that introduction videos kind of thing, like on a platform. So on that platform, we have to do all the training, watch the videos, and solve the tests.
Okay, that is a self-training basically.
Yeah, self training. All the employees need to like take that training.
Mm-hmm. How long is the training?
I think they have mentioned 1 month period, 30 days.
30 days.
Yeah.
Fine. After that, I mean, what would happen? What is the next step? Did they, I mean, explain you?
Actually, there is not uh, any
Much.
mail I received
Mm-hmm.
right
Okay,
now. So yeah,
fine.
that much process till I have done today.
Okay, that's great. Fine. I mean, you have gone through the this training modules, which you can say, and that is up to, I think, approximately about 30 days, and you have to complete that. And I think
Yes.
in the mid also they will keep on, informing that what's the next step and all. So nothing to worry,
Right.
guys. 17th was the onboarding. A lot of people got that, and in case people who are going to receive in future the onboarding and the joining dates and everything, you can just wait for their emails. You can and one more thing I would like to inform you all is that you can email the Spock HR. I mean, they do send you the contact email of your HR, so you can definitely contact them. They will definitely help you guys, and I think they do revert back to your queries, so that is also helpful, very helpful that is. So yeah, don't worry at all.
I want to give input for that. Like if you are cracking the test, then you should practice on some good platforms like Hacker Rank and all those,
Mm.
because that will help you to pass the test cases and all.
In the training
Yeah.
period you are talking
No,
about?
no, no, not in training. Before the like onboarding and all, because you have to crack two tests, right? 3 hours and 42 minutes, and one test is 2 hour and 25 minutes. So
Yeah,
yeah,
correct,
that is important.
correct. The aptitude and the technical questions you are talking.
Yes, yes, because two of them are a elimination round, and I think I have noticed this, that uh, coding is like important for both of the rounds. Yeah,
Okay, most of the questions are from coding for both the rounds.
yeah,
Okay, fine.
pseudocodes and all this.
Okay, this is before the joining, and I think to
Yes,
crack Tech
yes,
Mahindra,
to
this
crack
profile.
basically.
Yeah,
Yes,
correct.
right.
Fine. Okay, so Dhaval, can you explain a little bit about the how to, what was the steps? I mean, how many rounds were there, and what kind of questions, topics were there to crack
Yes,
this?
yes. So basically, I registered on 23 of August, and on 24th of August, I think in the evening, I got the mail that you have to give round one,
Mm,
and this is basically 3 hours and 3 hours and 42 minutes of non-proctored test.
mm.
So in that, you have aptitude plus coding. Okay,
Okay.
so I and coding is the most important, because it is having like more weightage for the for to crack the test basically. So I cracked it. The coding question I don't remember for the first round, but yeah, the coding is important. And on 25th at
Coding.
night, yeah, 25th of night, I think 8 p.m. I given the exam and I got the result on 27th, that I have to give next round, like round two,
Mm,
which is again 2 hours and 25 minutes. And it is proctored by camera, but no audio was captured for that test. So 2 hours of aptitude plus coding and 25 minutes of psychometric test. So basically aptitude is again you will get thousands of video for that. So I'm
mm,
not like again targeting that.
mm,
But again in second round coding is mandatory, and I got the coding question on stack, implementation of stack.
mm,
So push and pop operation and infix, I think implementation of infix expression using stack was my question.
mm,
So I have implemented that using Java. And again the 25-minute test was psychometric test, and I took it at night, like 1 a.m., because environment was quite at that time for my area. Yeah, so I given the test on 20th of August and got the result on 30th of August, that I have to register for NATS,
mm,
which is a National Apprenticeship, something like that.
mm,
Yeah, and I have done the registration with my documents like Aadhaar card, PAN card, PDC, and graduation degree. And I got lucky that I have registered it successfully with just 1 day, because most of the students have registered for it and still haven't got that registration successful mail. So yeah, that is very important, and you have to like give that ID to the company's portal. And I have submitted the documents to the SPOC. I think it was on, yeah, 31st of August. I have submitted that documents again with the Aadhaar card, PAN card, all that.
mm, mm.
They will mention in that mail
Okay.
which you got after the test.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
have to
so that
submit
was,
it through email, right?
yes, email.
Okay, fine. Fine. I think this was quite, you explained well.
Brief.
Quite brief, and you explained well about the, test. Basically, you have to focus on the coding mainly and the aptitude, which are, I think, elimination round as well. So yes,
Yes.
you have to go through it well, and then, you will be able to get selected here. Otherwise, apart from that, you already got to know about the onboarding. I think, guys, that this is quite enough, and Dhaval explained very well. In case you have any doubt or query, you can mention me on Instagram, or you can comment here. We'll be happy to help you guys. Till then, guys, have a great day. Be safe. Take care.